Now we're going to make you tasty.
Now, handkerchief. Sneeze. Sneeze, handkerchief. Got it? Fine.
Now, huff your own snot.
Handkerchief, sneeze. See what I mean?
Joke's on you.
That's the idea.
That's not your hanky. It's my underwear.
Funny thing about colds, where it is coldest, the inhabitants hardly ever get cold.
That's not funny.
The common cold is not a serious sickness.
Oh, well, then never
But
mind.
still, medical science as yet has not found a cure for it. Ah, yes, there are remedies galore.
Like
All
cocaine.
sorts of medication. Protect yourself against infection. Keep pencils and other things out of your mouth.
Because you don't know where it's been.
Never take bites of other people's food.
Because you know where it's
Do
been.
not use somebody else's drinking straw.